Hola.
Welcome to Jeremy Watson Educational Center. In this video, you'll learn the color names in Spanish easily and enjoyably. Let's get started. Repeat after me.
Rojo.
Red.
Azul.
Blue.
Verde.
Green.
Amarillo.
Yellow.
Negro.
Black.
Blanco.
White.
Naranja.
Orange.
Rosa.
Pink.
Morado.
Purple.
Marrón.
Brown. Let's say them together.
Rojo. Azul. Verde. Amarillo. Negro. Blanco. Naranja. Rosa. Morado. Marrón.
You are doing fantastic. Practice conversation. Teacher.
Hola. ¿Sabes cómo se dice red en español?
Student.
Sí, se dice rojo.
Teacher.
Muy bien. ¿Y cómo se dice blue?
Student.
Blue es azul.
Teacher.
Excelente. ¿Cuál es tu color favorito?
Student.
Mi color favorito es verde.
Teacher.
Muy bien. El verde es el color de la naturaleza.
Student.
Sí, me gusta mucho el verde.
Great job. Color quiz. What is
Verde.
in English? Green. How do you say black in Spanish?
Negro.
What is
Rojo.
in English? Red. How do you say pink in Spanish?
Rosa.
What is
Gris.
in English? Gray. Excellent work. You've learned the names of all the basic colors in Spanish. Keep practicing every day, and soon you'll speak Spanish with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching.